I did not feel much of my day because I was working and I was being super efficient, so I didn't say anything. But tomorrow I'm going to Crete. Slay! Woo! I haven't been on like a summer holiday in a little bit, so I'm excited to see the sea, the sun, the pool, and I really showed out. I'm planning this little trip with me and my mom. It's the first time I think we go on a trip, like a curated trip, and this is my gift to her. It was technically both her Christmas and birthday gift from 2024, but I could only make it this year. The economy is not great, so I had to build it up. But I'm super excited, and the preparations are kind of being finalized now. Maman has a new obsession. She discovered those banana bars.
C'est que 10. Ça veut dire que je peux prendre que 2 paquets?
After we settled in, we checked out the marina and the surroundings around the hotel. Guys, the sun, the heat. It was so nice. It was then time to have dinner already. All right, that was the vibe. And we just had an amazing dinner at the hotel and just enjoyed the seaside. And yeah, that was day one, guys.
I did not even have time to show you a proper room tour because I was with my mom, etc. And I was just like, you know, moving around. And I think it's the first time I'm alone for 2 minutes. But I have to go back with her to the gym. But I wanted to show you the room. It's a bit of a, not messy, but it's already lived in. So I will show you what it looks like. It's really nice. We are staying at the Nico Resort in Agios Nikolaos in Crete. So a little bit of a spend, but really worth it. My mom is super happy about it, and I'm super happy about it. So that's the room. So that's what you see when you enter. We arrived, there was like champagne and stuff. We haven't drank it yet, but we will. Then you had 2 seats. You had a lot of stuff for hanging your clothes and your stuff. You have the fridge here, coffee, and more water. And then here you have the big TV. I'm obsessed with this thing. I think it makes the room way bigger because of the mirror and stuff like this. That's me. Then you enter here, you have the balcony. Like, I'm obsessed. I can't wait until it's like super sunny so we can just chill here. I can read here. And there is a little jacuzzi. We even got upgraded, so that's really nice. That's the view. You can see through the beyond. It's not really sunny now, but maybe I will show it again when it's sunny. And then you have the bathroom. There's the really dangerous steps here. And then you have the bathroom. Looking neat. Before my mom says, "Oh, you're leaving me alone," I will run down to the gym spot. Maybe I'll take you with me, actually. That could be fun. Come with me, but I'm a bit embarrassed. What if people see me? What to do. All right, let's go. Outfit of the day. Or can I put you somewhere a bit better? I don't think this room isn't really optimal for outfit sharing, is it? Outfit of the day. They're casual. I'm really casual. I'm just like effortless, you know, effortless holidays. All black. Because I feel like I'm wearing black. I will fit better with the other, if I want to take pictures outside, because also the outside is like extremely, how to say this? It's like so colorful. So if I wear any color, I'm afraid I would just like, My mom said we were supposed to go down 5 minutes ago, but now she's on her phone, calling, playing. I don't know what she's doing. She's playing something. Anyway, I will go. What I have to do on my face, I did my skincare, and then I added some blush from Rhode. The sun is finally out. It was extremely windy earlier today, so I'm excited to go. Fighting with the wind.
How I stir it, this is enough. Too much, we have stirred it before with lime sugar, we have a little bit soda, okay? Okay? Why is that? Because
Oh, so pretty.
so you wouldn't do it. Why we do that? We need
I sat down 2 seconds to put some cream on my feet that were dry, and my mom decided to just sit down on the beach where we're not supposed to stay. We were supposed to walk back 20 minutes to the city. Okay.
I suck at vlogging, guys. That's why I have to catch you up with the voiceover. But yeah, we finally headed out to eat something. It was like a late lunch, basically dinner. I had the best tacos in that place. I want to go back. And then yeah, we just headed out by the pool, enjoyed the sunset, and it was time again for dinner. All black was the vibe today. And yeah, that was day 2.
Day number 3. I'm meeting my mom at the gym because she just got up and left. She's a runner, she's a drag star. There I go. There's a little tour of little steps, or like little route you have to take between the 4th and the 4th. And then we go down, and then we end up in the 1st floor. And once we're in the 1st floor, we get to the gym. But first we had to walk all of this. Jeez, Louise, it's already like a lot of steps in the morning. It's a lot. But I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining.
Did the olive paste.
It's a unique experience.
Wow, it's so
You will never
wow.
you will never have the possibility.
I think we need more for this.
Et nous on a cru que t'étais merci.
C'est bon, c'est
Non, oui, non, c'est bon. Et du coup, pourquoi le lait de chèvre il est aussi fort si le fromage de chèvre il est fort?
La présure,
les enzymes.
Parce que c'est vrai que c'est très bien.
Oui, c'est finalement c'est bon, c'est pas.
Ça crée
Ça ressemble à du lait.
Elle regarde son téléphone.
All the year. One way to keep it longer, about a year, is to cut it from the trees, put it in a plastic bag. To put the rice and the vegetables, and the reason is when we start to roll it, to look good in our plate, not for the other reason. And you start one side, second side like this, and then you start to roll it. Tie it, and the dolmaki is ready. Otherwise, it's not difficult, right? But But think, if you have a very big family and only one person, roll it, make too much for a very big family, you can understand me, I think. Two daughters, two husbands, yeah. I want to say exactly the same. My family, because I have a very big family.
Yamas.
I'm extremely tempted to go home with this because it's really pretty. But I only have 8 kilograms. So. Got myself some ice cream and now I'm going back down. Look how pretty it is. This is the lake. Apparently Zeus would throw his ladies in there. The people, he will wash their hair there. Don't ask me why. I also just learned that the reason why he's the god of the god is because people drinking goat milk. Hey, slay, I guess.
I think this trip gave me some type of clarity. I had a bit of an epiphany in a sense that I realized I do not travel that much actually. I spend most of my holidays going back to France, which is fine, love it. But I also crave a bit of novelty. I want to see the world, I want to enjoy nature, I want to enjoy the horizon, the sun on my skin. Mind you, I suck with money, so that doesn't help. But hopefully next year I get to do this more, and I just had a great time. And just like that, it was our last day in Crete. We had the best time, and it was nice to treat my mom to a bit more of a fancy stay. I hope she had the best time. I mean, look at her dancing away, cigarette in hand. I mean, what else can you ask for more? We talked a lot, and I do think it made us closer, so hoping to way more experiences like that. In the meantime, I see you on the next video.